In Mexico, the city of Reynosa in the state of Tamaulipas experienced a devastating hailstorm, leading to widespread disorder and significant disruptions in daily life. Power outages were reported in multiple areas, adding to the challenges faced by residents who struggled with limited connectivity and access to essential resources like food and water. Ongoing efforts are being made to restore services and offer assistance to those in need. Without warning, the hailstorm began in the early afternoon, catching the local residents off guard. The once clear sky quickly transformed into a chaotic scene as hailstones relentlessly showered the city, causing immense damage to buildings, vehicles, and even local vegetation. In response to this emergency, local authorities are working tirelessly. They have deployed teams to evaluate the extent of the destruction and provide immediate aid to those affected. Emergency services remain on high alert, ensuring that any injuries incurred during the storm receive prompt medical attention. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.